with advanced AI vision mapping, smart sensors, and dexterous math to perform tasks with precision. Aside from that, these humanoid robots have energy-efficient motors for stable and human motion movement. So, tingnan natin saan ito pwede gamitin. So, ito po ating humanoid robot ay kaya-kaya mag-assist sa hospital, sa household tasks, sa industrial work, at sa space exploration. So, bukod doon ay nag-precision grip, nakakalaman